My name is Sri Kumar. I heads the operation in Sahassra Property Capital. This is a momentous occasion for us that we introduced a Salesforce to stabilize our operation. So basically, we are in the land acquisition time now, and the Salesforce doesn't have an acquisition module, and we got it integrated and developed the land acquisition module. And we got all our legal compliance and land visits and many ground operations got integrated into the system thanks to Fingertip technologies and for their support and their understanding and getting the best out of the Salesforce to get our operations integrated and nicely. The workflows were defined and enabled the entire team to work as a single unit. So we really enjoying the usage of that Salesforce new module, and it's really improved the productivity of our team thanks to Fingertip technologies for all their hard work. So we could meet many of their back-end teams, very enthusiastic teams, their deep understanding about the Salesforce system and how it can integrate the operations and the configuring it. We really thank the entire team for helping us to use the Salesforce team. So we are actually begun a new journey, and really it is showing the benefits in our regular operation and the team's integration and the synergy in their work. So thanks to Salesforce and thanks to Fingertip.